Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to know about the theory of psychosocial development. This theory was given by Erik Erikson. This theory was influenced by Sigmund Freud's theory of psychosexual development. But this theory's perspective is some different. This theory is emphasized on psychosocial development of individual. This theory is focused on social interaction of people. This theory is also emphasized on how a person can resolve conflicts at different stages in their life. In this theory, there are 8 stages are there, and these stages are started from birth and continue this till end, or we can say till death. So here first stage is trust versus mistrust. This is infancy stage. The age limit is within, or we can say here the age limit is within birth to 18 months. Second stage is autonomy versus shame and doubt. Here the age limit is within 18 months to 3 years, and it is called early childhood stage. Third stage is initiative versus guilt. Here the age limit is within 3 to 5 years. It is called preschool stage. Next one is inferiority, or actually the stage is industry versus inferiority. And here the age limit is within 6 to 11 years. And it is called school age. Next stage is identity versus role confusion. It is adolescent stage. Here the age limit is within 12 to 18 years. Next stage is intimacy versus isolation. Here the age limit is within 18 to 40 years, and it is actually early adulthood stage. Next one is generativity versus stagnation. Here the age limit is within 40 to 65 years. This is middle adulthood. And at last, integrity versus despair. Here the age limit is within 65 and above. This is maturity stage. So this is all about Erik Erikson's theory of psychosocial development. I hope this piece of information is useful for you. And in next video, we will discuss about each stage in details. So that's it for today. I hope you all understand this theory, and there are 8 stages. So thank you.